What's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be opening the Silver Tempest Elite Trainer box. I haven't been able to get my hands on one since everybody's been stealing them up at Walmarts and Targets. I was finally able to get one, so now I'll be able to add it to my collection. Let's see what we got inside. Got some nice dice. I like those colors. Got those nice Alolan Vulpix sleeves. Gonna be using those. Obviously, energies. Let's get into these packs. Alright. First up, Lugia pack. Something good. Obviously, we're going to be looking for something like the Lugia V alternate art. Side 2, 3, 4. Litten, Petlil, Alrighty, up next, we got Growler, Clink, Whalmer, Dratini, Stunfisk, it's a fun one, and ooh, Regieleki V. To the side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, Lugia. Water Energy, Lance, Glitchinder, Clang, Clink, Stunfisk, Togedemaru, Whisper, Smeargle, Petlil, non-hollow Mismagius. Alrighty, come on, come on. We got Grass Energy, Professor Leaventown, Metang, Toxapex, Sandygast, Alcanth, Halucha, Togedemaru, Petlil, Ooh, melodic. Alt art melodic. Now that's nice. And behind that, ooh, holographic Croc Rock. Now that's a nice melodic color. Side 4. Alright, electric energy, lantern, Brandon, Altaria, Amoga, Medica, Routes, Durant, reverse hollow Dragonair. Regieleki VMAX. We got Regieleki and Regieleki VMAX in the same box. Look at that. Now that's nice. Now that's nice. That's a nice pair. Same box. Alright, last pack here. What we got? Last pack. We got Fighting Energy, Raichu, another Ferrothorn, Toxicroak, Croagunk, Slossus, Zubat, Elgin, Fungus. Oh, we got a Sleeping Incineroar. Barely even tell what that was for a second. And to end it, a non-holographic Armaldo. Alrighty. Well, here I'd say are the best 4 pulls I got out of the Silver Tempest Elite Trainer box. I really like the melodic card a lot. It really looks nice with the trainer in the background. So I'd just like to thank you for making it this far into the video, and in return you can have all of the codes from the Silver Tempest box I just opened. I'd really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed, and maybe I'll do more of these openings in the future. Thanks, and come again.